So in order to replace this coin cell, I started off making this dummy battery connector with a 3D printed hub, this washered screw going through it, and then compression spring that I melted down to stick around the outside. And that fits snugly in here. But I realised I was going to have problems with the leads getting in the way of things. And it was at that point I noticed that this set of calipers does have the serial data port on top. So I thought it would be much easier to just 3D print a little connector. These are a bugger. As you can see, it had a number of revisions before it would fit snugly in there without rocking. So I made it so that I could use some of these header pins as the electrodes on the connector. And then I just had to solder some wires on, and that proved incredibly hard. But then once the wires were soldered on sufficiently, I've just hot glued the battery box to the back, and now I have a set of calipers with an on-off switch. Although I did dismantle them in the process to think about whether I wanted to solder directly onto the contacts. And in the process of reassembling, I seem to have lost a little bit of accuracy. I can't always get this to 0 now. No, good enough. There we go. And it's non-destructive in that I can undo all of those changes as long as I never lose this tiny wee battery door.